The demand for comfort height toilets has reached an all-time high as homeowners prioritize long-term accessibility and ergonomics. These chair height models are particularly appealing to seniors and individuals with mobility issues as they reduce the strain of sitting and standing. Our guide evaluates these top-tier fixtures based on flush technology, build quality, space-saving layout. Product number 1. 17-inch compact tall toilet for seniors. For those navigating the challenges of a smaller bathroom without wanting to sacrifice ergonomic comfort, the 17-inch compact tall toilet is a standout choice. This model specifically targets the sweet spot of accessibility, a 17-inch bowl height that typically reaches 18 inches once the seat is added. This makes it fully ADA compliant and significantly easier on the knees compared to traditional 15-inch standard models. Despite its compact label, the design doesn't compromise on power. Most models in this category utilize a siphon jet flush system, which creates a high-velocity suction to clear waste efficiently while using just 1.28 gallons per flush, or GPF. The compact tank design allows it to fit into tight en-suites or powder rooms where every inch counts. It often comes as a complete kit, including a soft close seat to prevent the jarring noise of a slamming lid in the middle of the night. Product number 2. Miwara Elongated Extra Tall Toilet 21-inch for seniors. When standard comfort height isn't enough, the Miwara 21-inch extra tall toilet steps into a league of its own. While most comfort toilets stop at 19 inches, this specialized model provides a towering 21-inch bowl height. This is a game changer for very tall individuals or those with severe mobility limitations, such as post-surgery patients who are physically restricted from bending their hips or knees past a certain angle. This model features a Tornado dual flush system, 1.1/1.6 GPF, which uses powerful nozzles to create a centrifugal swirling action. This technology is superior for rim-to-floor cleaning, ensuring that waste is swept away without leaving streaks. The elongated bowl provides a larger seating surface, which distributes weight more evenly and increases comfort during longer visits. It is a robust, vitreous china build that feels industrial strength, but looks sleek enough for a modern master bath. Product number 3. Toto Drake 2-piece elongated 1.28 GPF Tornado Flush. Toto is the gold standard in the industry, and the Drake 2-piece is their flagship performer. What makes the Drake a favorite among contractors is the reliability of the Tornado flush mechanism. Unlike traditional gravity flushes that drop water from the rim, the Tornado flush uses two powerful nozzles to create a vortex. When paired with Toto's Siphon-Tect glaze, a microscopic, ultra-smooth surface, waste and bacteria simply cannot stick to the ceramic. The Drake is designed as a universal height model, meaning it meets ADA requirements while remaining comfortable for the average adult. Its build quality is exceptional. The vitreous china is thick and resistant to cracking or leaking over decades of use. It is a high-profile design that looks premium and performs with a quiet, rapid fill cycle that is much less intrusive than budget competitors. Product number 4. Toto Entrada 2-piece round 1.28 GPF universal height. The Toto Entrada is the perfect bridge between professional-grade performance and budget-friendly pricing. While the Drake is the luxury option, the Entrada is the workhorse. It features a round bowl design, which is specifically intended for very tight spaces where an elongated bowl would prevent a door from swinging open. Despite the compact shape, it still maintains Toto's universal height, offering the chair-like comfort needed for easier access. Performance-wise, the Entrada uses the E-Max flushing system. It features a 3-inch wide flush valve, larger than the industry-standard 2-inch valve, and an extra-large siphon jet. This combination ensures a powerful cleansing flush that is surprisingly quiet. It is WaterSense certified, using only 1.28 GPF. For those who want the Toto reputation for quality without the $500 plus price tag, the Entrada is an unbeatable value. Product number 5. Homely Link 17-inch elongated tall toilet for seniors. The Homely Link 17-inch elongated toilet is a favorite for those who want a complete kit experience with a modern, skirted look aesthetic. The 17.5-inch seat height is ideal for seniors, providing a stable and comfortable platform. What sets Homely Link apart is their 360-degree jet siphon flushing technology. The bowl is engineered with hidden water holes around the rim that create a pressurized wall of water, scrubbing the surface while the siphon jet pulls waste down. The glaze on this model is specifically formulated to be stain-resistant and non-yellowing, ensuring the white finish stays bright even with hard water use. It includes a quick-release soft-close seat, which is a major bonus for maintenance. You can pop the seat off with one button to clean the hard-to-reach areas around the hinges. It is a stylish, reliable, and middle-of-the-road price option that satisfies both aesthetic and functional needs.